I am Professor Shamli Zalte from KKW College. Today we learn what is a buffer in Node.js module. Firstly, what is buffer? Buffer is a temporary storage, usually in a RAM. It handles the raw binary data instance of the buffer class. Like an array of integer, the integer in a buffer each represent a byte. Buffer class is a global class. It can be accessed in an application without importing buffer module. That means buffer is a temporary storage. It usually in a RAM. The buffer is handle only raw binary data. Next is why use buffer in Node.js. First, the JavaScript language had no mechanism for reading or writing or manipulating the stream of binary data. That means JavaScript use the buffer. Second is the buffer class was introduced as a part of the Node.js API to make it possible. Our next topic is creating a buffer. There are many ways to construct Node.js buffer. Following are the three mostly used methods. First is create an initiated buffer. Second is create a buffer from array. And third is create a buffer from string. Firstly, we will discuss the first types of creating a buffer. Following is the syntax of creating an initiated buffer of 10 octets. That means the syntax of creating uninitiated buffer is where buff is equal to new buffer in bracket 10, where means variable, buff means variable is equal to new buffer. Second is create a buffer from array. Following syntax is to create a buffer from giving an array, where buff is equal to new buffer in bracket 10 20 30 40 and 50. That is the size of buffer. Next is create a buffer from a string. Following is a syntax to create a buffer from a given string and optionally encoding type, where buff is equal to new buffer in bracket. Simply write down our string simple easy learning comma double quote UTF-8. This is the three ways of creating a buffer in a Node.js. Next topic is Node.js module. There are three types of Node.js module. First is core module, second is local module, and third is third party module. Firstly, we will discuss a core module. Core module means Node.js is a lightweight framework. The core module include a bare minimum functionality of Node.js. These core modules are compiled into its binary distribution and load automatically when Node.js process start. We discuss some core modules. First is the HTTP, URL, query string, path, FS and util. These are the basic core modules. These are the basic core module. This is the types of module or core module. Next topic is our local module. Our local module is the local module are a module that created locally in your Node.js application. Includes in a different functionality of your application in a separate files and folders. You can also package it is distributed it's via npm so that Node.js community can use it. For example, if you need to connect to MongoDB and fetch the data, then you can create a module for it which can be reused in your application. This is our local module. Thank you for watching my video.